Hmm. Glazier. Window Glazier. Yeah, g'day. My name's Kano. I do recruitment and visas for Australia. So this month, I'm looking for two more window glaziers. The employer's location is in Perth, Western Australia. This is residential window glazier. This is not industrial. This is residential. Um, Salary start at 76,500 per year, and go up from there. The visa is the 482 employer sponsored working visa. We will offer the ability to add your family onto the visa. Um, Also, the ability to nominate and transition into permanent residency. Ideally, I'm looking for somebody that's onshore, somebody that's already in Australia on a 482 working visa. If I can't find somebody onshore, then I'm happy to look at offshore applications. If you're offshore, you need 5 years experience. You need your English exam, IELTS scores of 5 in each section, and you'll need a bunch of good videos showing your skills at work. Um, so yeah, window glazier for Perth, 76,500 per year or higher. 482 visa, can add your family, can move in a permanent residency. If you want to apply for the position, if you're in Australia, just give me a call. Just show me an updated CV and a copy of your visa. If you're offshore, then go to my webpage. My webpage is here somewhere, Cross Country Consultancy. Just press the apply button, type in Glazier, hit enter, and an application form will come up. Make sure your CV's got your age, your nationality, your work date, start and finish, month and year, and a link to some videos. Put them in a Google Drive folder. Share me one link so I can see the videos. That's it. Yeah, if you like this, press the like. If you want more info about jobs and stuff in Australia, press the follow button. Have a good day. Cheers.